So here we're going to teach you to thread the embroidery machine. So first you're going to place your thread on the top of the machine and you're going to follow the directions in number order that are listed on the top of the embroidery machine. So what I just did was take that thread, put it around that little silver guy, down the white column on the right side, curve it under and up over where you're going to find a little silver piece on the inside of the left cut, and you're going to take it around that left piece, bring it straight down, and then you want to thread your string through the needle. This is the home page to pick what your embroidery is going to be. So as you can see, I selected the floral section where there's about 70 options to choose for an embroidery design. All you have to do is select one of them. It'll pop up sometimes in steps, sometimes as one full embroidery at once, and then the button to start will be red. And once that turns green, when that presser foot is down, you're ready to go. Now that you're ready to embroider, take your sheet of fabric and put it in between the two hoops. You're going to make sure your fabric is as tight as you can possibly pull it so there's no wrinkles or no fabric gets caught while you're doing the embroidery. So here I'm just pulling all sides of that fabric to ensure it's as tight as possible. There's a little screw on the very end to tighten the hoop on the bottom, so you want to make sure that's tight as well. I'm just attaching it to the bottom piece of the machine, clicking it in place, and moving the thread to go into the circle on the presser foot and stick behind the machine. And you'll be ready to go. Some general tips for embroidering is always make sure your needle isn't screwed on too tightly to the machine. This avoids the needle falling off or sometimes breaking. Once everything's settled, you should get a notification on the screen and press OK. It's just telling you the needle is going to shift automatically, and to make sure your hands aren't in the way in case of an accident. Here you see me selecting my design, putting my presser foot down by using the lever on the inside of the machine, and pressing the green button to start. Usually I let the machine run for about 3 to 5 seconds and I press the green button to stop it temporarily. There I cut off the starting thread so it doesn't get tangled in my design. Then you press the red button that will turn green when you put the presser foot back down to let it start again. Good luck with your embroidery, and I'm sure everything will go as planned. Once the embroidery is finished, the machine will automatically stop. You can lift up the presser foot and pull out the bottom piece we had attached with the hoop originally. There's a lever on the inside of the very left hand. Pull it up and then pull the piece out and you're finished.